आपका क्वेश्चन है एक्सप्रेस इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। दे हैव गिवन 0 पॉइंट सम zeros and 85. How we will write? Just we have to write the value first. So value is 85. So just we will write that 85 by, now after decimal how many digits are there, that we have to count. So that is your 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. So at down we will write 10 to the power of 13. 10 to the power of 13. Now, so upside we have to write in standard form. So 85 we will not write. We will write 8.5. So here it will come 8.5 into 10 is your 85 by 10 to the power of 13. Now bring this 13 to upside. So it will be 8.5 into 10 into 10 to the power of minus 13. And 13 will go up, it will become a minus 13. Now if you see here, 1 power is there, 1 minus 13 is minus 12. So now your answer is 8.5 into 10 to the power of minus 12. Now next, here see the values 0.000 something, and at last they have given 942. So this is our value 942. So we will write that only. So it will come as 942 by, now after decimal how many digits are there, that we have to count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. So here it is 10 to the power of 14. That is equal to, now we have to write it as 9.42. So we will write here 9.42 into 100. That is equal to 940 by 10 to the power of 14. Now bring this to upside. So it will be 9.42 into 10 to the power of 2 into 10 to the power of minus 14. So 2 minus 14 is minus 12. So now your answer is 9.42 into 10 to the power of minus 12. So this is in your standard form. Next, 60200000, like that they are given. So in standard form what we have to write? Just what you have to do, just you have to keep 6 at left. 6 point, this is the value 6.02 into, now we have to write 10. So see, after this point, that means after from here, how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So we will write here 10 to the power of 15. That's all. Okay. Now next question, 0.0000, at last they have given 837. So what is your value? That is your 837 only. So we will write this. This is equal to 837 by, now we have to count number of digits after the decimal. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. So we will write 10 to the power of 11 here. Now at top we have to write 8.37. So this is your 8.37 into 100. That is 837 by 10 to the power of 11. Now bring this 11 at the top. It will become minus 11. So now it is 8.37 into 10 to the power of 100 कैसे लिखते हैं 2 into 10 to the power of minus 11. This is equal to 2 minus 11 is minus 9. So it will be 8.37 into 10 to the power of minus 9. So this is your answer. Here, what they have given? 3186,000,000. How you will write? We have to write like this. First, we have to write this is our value 3.186. So we will write here 3.186. Now we have to keep number of zeros now. So number of zeros will come from your 1 now. After decimal 1 is there, so from 1. So we will count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So into 10 to the power of 10. So this is our value now. Standard form. Okay.